Hey guys, it's me again, and look, my best friend decided to join me today.
Hello.
What's your name?
Rio.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hi.
Yeah, she's my best friend. We've been friends for like 8 years.
No.
9 years?
Really? I don't know.
9
You're
years?
old.
You're older.
Ugh.
Anyways, we're gonna go try. Well, I'm gonna try Filipino food for the first time today.
Hey!
She's Filipino, so
I am.
we're gonna try some Filipino food today.
Yes.
And then potentially go find that bridge that Negi and I couldn't find last time.
I can actually take
Yeah.
her there for sure.
Yeah.
'Cause
She's
this girl
been.
has no sense of directions whatsoever. But
Shut up. And then we're gonna go study. She's gonna show me her school. I've never been to the Algonquin College. The Gonk. Is that what you guys call it? The
Sure.
Gonk? Okay, sure. Anyways, we're gonna get going now. I'll see you later. Okay, so we decided to go to Suzy Q first. Because Tammy's Cafe was not open.
it better be open.
Suzy Q better be open.
Okay.
Anyways, let's go
yes.
in. It's open. Okay, going in.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out our way to Prince of Wales. Where are we now though? Wellington, Fairmont. Okay. What is this?
You don't have to record my face.
Zooms in.
Double chin. We're at Princess Louise's Fall. We couldn't find, well, we found the Alexander Bridge, but it was under construction. Couldn't walk there. Anyways, this is Princess Louise. There's Rio trying to warm herself up.
It's freezing.
It is cold. Falls doesn't look as pretty as it does in pictures though. Got stir-fried noodles.
It's actually called pancit.
Sorry, it's called pancit. What's yours?
Tapsilog.
Tapsilog?
What?
Okay. What'd you say? Tapsilog?
Tapsilog.
Oh, Tapsilog, sorry. Sorry, my Filipino friends. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this. It smells really good. Got my pandan cake, and she got her, what is it?
Brazo de Mercedes.
Yeah, whatever she said. Taking a tour of Rio's school, Algonquin. It's so cold out here. You guys have a neat school. I wish I went here actually. Better than Ottawa U with all that damn construction. Hey guys, so we're back in Barhaven. Yeah, we are back.
Yoo-hoo!
Woo!
No.
What?
Okay.
What?
What?
Oh, okay. Anyways, we had Filipino food today at, what's that restaurant called?
Tammy's Cafe.
Tammy's Cafe. Sorry for my accent.
No.
Look at that car just staring at me.
What's wrong with
Okay.
her? I think she's lost.
Yeah. It was really good food. You guys should check it out if you're ever in Ottawa, or if you're in Ottawa. It's, what was it? 103 4th Avenue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and we also went to
Suzy Q.
Suzy Q. Best donuts in Ottawa. Unless there's another place. Is there?
Was it? No, I don't think so.
I'm sorry, you should be in there too. Oh, there's another car coming up behind me. Okay, well, I'm gonna wrap this up actually. No,
Imagine they're my parents.
Imagine.
So embarrassing.
It's her parents.
Is it?
It's a van. No,
No.
it's not. Okay, well, oh yeah, we also like checked out Algonquin. I really like that study place. I might go there more often now. Annoy Rio.
Oh god, no.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye.
Bye!